Right, okay, this is a demonstration for the toilet, both inside and outside emptying it if you like. Okay, so Jane's just going to point that towards the handle at the moment. Obviously there's a lid that you bring up and down. Now that says open on an arrow, and you can open that, and whether you can see it or not, it opens that. Do your business down the hole, whichever business it is, and you press that down to flush it. As I say, the vehicle at the moment is winterised, so that's why there's no water coming out, and then you just shut that like that, and it's dead simple really. Right, okay, do you want to meet me outside? Right, Jane's met me outside. Brisk winter again. Right, okay, I've actually unlocked it to make it easier, but the keys are on there, so we open that out, pop the gloves on. He says pop the gloves on the right way around. I knew I was going to get something wrong. Right, here we go. Right, so gloves are on. There's a little yellow thing there. Don't go too close because it might get thingy, but push that down and then pull that out. Now, if that won't pull out, when you've pushed that down and it won't pull out, it means that you haven't closed the paddle inside. So don't force it, nip inside, close the paddle, and it will come out dead easy. So once it comes out, that's the bit that slides back when it goes into the loo. It's got a little bit of water in it there. That's the bit that slides out when it goes onto the loo. So basically, that's your unit. Nip to the Elson point. Turn that out that way. Open it like that. Make sure that doesn't flow down the toilet. Now, if you hold it that way and put your finger onto there, that's an air pocket. So as you pour into the toilet, rather than it glugging and splashing back to you, once you've pushed it there, push that button in, and you'll find that it lets air in and all the stuff comes out. If you're not pouring and you press that button, then the air will come out. The only other way of doing it is to do it the opposite way around. So that button's at the top, and empty it that way. But if you're left-handed or right-handed, it can feel a bit awkward. But golden rule is, don't press the button if you're not pouring out, because it will come out then. Simple after that. Wash it through. There'll always be a hose pipe ready for you to swill it through. So once you've emptied it, swill it through with the hose pipe, get it in, swill it through, and then put a bit of blue in there. There's a measuring cup on the side of there. I mean, basically you need about 1 inch in the bottom of there. Pour it in there, squeeze it up, and load it back in. Now, one thing I want to tell you is, I'll take that out again, but the blue is here. It's stored in the bottom of there. That's it. Okay. Now, your water level indicator, when you're actually filling this up, your water level indicator's there, and you'll see the water fill up. And the water fills up on the on here. So we undo that. Yes, the flush water, sorry, yes. So the flush water sits in there, and you can fill it up with either a 5 litre tub, or, I mean, we normally fill it up when we fill the water up for the actual vehicle itself. It holds probably, I bet it's 25-30 litres, I'm not quite sure, but it's a reasonable amount, let's put it that way. And you just pop that way, and then fold it back in like that. So it's a very nice compact unit.